Hey everybody, this is Chris, aka It's X-Man. Today's vlog is inside the 205 Mall. I just went from Bed Bath & Beyond to Target to check out some stuff. And let me go here. This is a pizza place. Nice. How much a slice?
How much is what?
A slice for pizza.
$3.
$3? What kind of pizza do you have? Like cheese? Because I heard about this place from a friend of mine, and I just like, I don't know.
Sorry, I was just eating coupons.
Oh, by the way, you're my video blog, so hi.
Why?
No, just like I'm just vlogging whatever I do. So, see, I would totally buy a piece of pizza. Like my friend told me it's delicious. Just out of curiosity. Alright, thank you. Nope. Okay, so now I'm going to go home. I was looking for a microwave, so I don't know if they had any in there, so I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. Theirs were like $100, and it was a good microwave, but I don't know if I can use it. And then I went to Target, and I guess they only had, the ones they had were like 150 up there, so I can't use that. So, where is Anthony? Okay, here he is. So now I'm going home and gonna relax. I bought this computer desk for my studio stuff.
All of the styles that we've designed ourselves
So,
in my factory.
I'm done.
After you've shopped around.
World, this is my, well, you can't see him, never mind. I was going to introduce my brother, but can't see him. So, I'm going home now. I will see you guys later. Bye.